So we introduced the command line interface. We have here the most important commands if you want to work on an HPC system offered by NAISS. You essentially have to know these commands: ls, cd, change mod, mkdir. It's very important to write simple Slurm scripts, for instance, which is Slurm is a separate training course. But this essentially that you know these things is a prerequisite for writing Slurm scripts. We showed a bit about pipes and filtering. We discussed editors. So the most important, if you don't know anything else, Nano is a good starting point. We discussed patterns and finding, and that's us. Okay, so apologies for being 20 minutes over. Anyone would like to ask a question?